Hello, this is Samantha from Lillian Co Designs. Thank you for joining me for my first plan with me in about 2 years. This week I will be planning for the week of December 28th through January 3rd, which is New Year's week. The kit that I'll be using this week is called Disney Bang. It's by Coffee Doodles as part of her Disney line. It's still available in the shop if you'd like to pick it up. Here are the full boxes, the deco page, washi, half boxes, little things, and glitter headers. And then I will also be using a weekly foil bundle, which is also available in the shop. It has everything that you need for a full week of foil planning. And this week I'm going to be using holographic foil, which I think will go great with the fireworks theme. So I'm starting by putting down my date covers. Now I'm going to start putting down my glitter headers. Once I've put down all of the first glitter headers, I'll go back and start putting down the full boxes and bougie boxes. I like to color block in my planner, so Monday will be pink, Tuesday will be purple, and Wednesday will be yellow. And on the second half of the week, Thursday will be light blue, and then I like to mirror the same pattern, so Friday will be yellow, Saturday will be purple, and Sunday will be pink. Once I finish putting down the full boxes and bougie boxes for the first half of the week, I'll go ahead and put my bottom washi down and then continue on for the second half of the week. Once my bougie boxes and full boxes are down, now I'm going to go ahead and put date dots on the date covers. Once I finish with that, I go and I put the bottom washi down on the second half of the week. Now I'm putting on the foil corner overlays. I like to put all 4 corners on from my double box, and then my regular full boxes will just have 2 each on opposite corners. Once the corner overlays are on, I'm going to start working on my sidebar. I've been using this sidebar for all of the pandemic, so I put a glitter header down, a full box, another glitter header, a half box, which I use to track which week of the pandemic it is, which is both sobering and depressing at the same time. And then I put my spending tracker down for the week, another full box, and then a final glitter header to line everything up with the bottom washi. And now I'm going through and putting the glitter header foil overlays on for the first half of the week. Here you can see the first half of the week, what it looks like before I put any of my boxes down for actually planning in the week. Now I forgot to put foil corners on the full boxes of my sidebar. Now I'm going and putting the glitter header foil overlays on the second half of the week. And here you can see what the second half of the week looks like with the hollow foil. And here is for both pages. I'm loving the holographic foil with this specific kit. So Monday morning, I started my keto diet again, which I had been off since before Thanksgiving. I print and cut some orders, and then I ordered some Elsa and Baby Yoda Disney mini ears from one of my favorite Etsy shops. I'll go ahead and link her below. I ordered some inserts from So Much Crafting for my A6 wide planner. And then I think because of my keto diet, I had a pretty bad upset stomach. I designed this kit that I'm using, Disney Bang. And then finally, our local basketball team, the Portland Trail Blazers, had a really big win over LeBron and the Lakers. Now I'm going back to my sidebar and I'm adding in which week of the pandemic it is, which you can see is the 43rd, which is crazy to think about. So for Tuesday in the morning, I booked some flights from Portland to Orlando, planning a trip to Disney World in October of later this year. Then I ordered a Buzz Lightyear inspired ring from Lillian Co. It's a gold ring and it says "To Infinity and Beyond." Later, I worked on orders. I then ordered a unique item. It's like a Eeyore, but made out of roses, not real roses, they're craft roses. I went to Walmart to pick up some groceries, and then I ended my night with a big binge of Manhunt Unabomber on Netflix. So Wednesday, I had a half day at work. I had the rest of Wednesday and then Thursday and Friday off. In the afternoon on Wednesday, I did some edits to the Happy Planner monthly kits that are in my shop. Scribble Prints Co. was having a Misfit Kit D-stash, and so I picked up 10 Ultimate kits. I watched some Naked and Afraid, and then some Manhunt Unabomber, and I was obsessed with this show, and then later just obsessed with the Unabomber in general. We took the dogs on a dog walk, and then I finished the night watching some 90 Day Fiancé. Thursday was a fairly busy day, and as you'll see, I had some trouble laying down my labels and boxes, but I eventually got those straightened out. So I had Thursday off, and so I'm writing that I had the day off and that I slept in. I went with my mom and we returned some pop can bottles. I then went to the Nike employee store. I live in the same city as Nike's world headquarters, and so every once in a while I'll get a pass through work, or this time it was through my business school, to go in and shop, and of course I went a little bit crazy and dropped too much. I then made chili, watched some more Manhunt Unabomber, took the dogs on a walk, and then finished the night watching Frozen 2. Friday, again, I had the day off and again slept in. My camera overheated, so I had to reset the view once it finally cooled down. I designed some custom foil script listings and this weekly bundle that I'm using, and then print and cut some orders. I had a business meeting and a Friday night meeting. After that, I took down the Christmas tree. And then finally watch the Portland Trail Blazers get another win, but this time over the Golden State Warriors. So 2 wins in 1 week, pretty good. I put down this munchkin flipping over a table, and then I realized I put it on the wrong side because I used a little thing with the shaded area on the right. So I needed to have my munchkin on the right because I like to alternate every other side. The box with the munchkin is showing that the Oregon Ducks football team lost really badly to Iowa State at the Fiesta Bowl. My brother Connor came over and visited for a little bit. And then I finished the night watching Mindhunter, so I'm on a little bit of a serial killer binge on Netflix. And then going back into the first half of the day, I slept in, I print and cut some orders, and then I dropped off some orders. Sunday morning, I did some work on my Shopify site. We were having guests over, and so I cleaned the downstairs. And then my aunts, Tracy and Leah, came over to watch the LA Chargers. Big Oregon fans, and the former quarterback from University of Oregon is now the starting quarterback for the LA Chargers, Justin Herbert, and he was setting a ton of records on this day for rookie quarterbacks. Then I later ordered a Disney clock from Castlebound Designs, which I have been waiting for forever to get my hands on. After that, did a dog walk and then finished up with some more Mindhunter. Now, once everything is done, I'm going back and I'm adding in my spending for the week by each day. And then here is a side-by-side look of what the finished spread looks like. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the spread back into my planner. And then here's a little bit of a foil wiggle. I love the holographic with the bright colors and the fireworks theme. So thank you for watching. I hope you stuck around this long, and I will see you next week with another plan with me. I'm going to be using silver foil and a Frozen inspired kit.